Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special Semiya Payasam recipe. This is a quick recipe which can be made within 30 minutes. Try this delicious Semiya Payasam recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 7 to 8 cashew nuts for frying. When it starts changing color to golden, add some raisins and fry for 20 seconds. Switch off the flame and remove it into a bowl for later use. In a 4-liter large bottom pan, take 1/4 cup of sugar to caramelize. The color should be turned slightly brown color, not too much brown color, because if it's too much brown in color, we won't get expected taste. Yes, now it has caramelized well. Now first add 500 ml of milk to it. When we add milk to the sugar, it will solidify. Stir for 2 minutes and mix it well. Then add remaining 500 ml of milk. Total 1 liter of milk has taken. Also add half cup or 100 ml of water. Then stir it well. Now we can add the semiya mix and sugar from the packet and mix all together. Also add the fried cashew nuts and raisins. Stir well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee for a special taste. When it starts boiling, make it low flame and close the lid. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can switch off the flame. The semiya has cooked well. Rest it for 30 minutes. It will automatically become more thicker. After 30 minutes, we can serve this yummy and delicious Semiya Payasam.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.